I'm really sorry. My focus was somewhere else. It's okay. It didn't hurt you, na? No, I'm fine. Sorry, sir. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
1 minute. You can't go inside.
Why?
Because we don't allow such dress here.
What do you mean by such a dress? Do you know this is Indian Army uniform?
Yes, I know. That's why I'm telling you to go to some another cafe.
But why can't I go in this cafe? And since when did this uniform become a problem?
Look, there are many people like you have come here. First they eat food and then they start asking for discount in the name of army dress. Or else they make excuse that we did not know the bill would be so high. So I don't want this thing to happen. That's why I'm not allowing you.
See, I have money.
If you have money, then keep it yourself and go to some other cafe.
Sir, wait. You come inside with me. I'll set up your table. But he just denied us.
You just leave him. I'm here. You come. You come with me. Sir, your order?
Yes. You choose, please.
One this and this one.
Okay, ma'am. I'll bring it. Why did you allow them? Because they wanted to come. And as you said, he is not allowed inside. But it's not any rule, sir. I am the manager or you. You, sir, but I also know the rules. Looks like you don't want to work here. I have to do it, sir. I'll tell you that later. When these people will not be able to pay the bill, then consider this day your last day here. Sir, your bill.
Yes. $50% discount?
Yes, sir.
Nobody gives such a discount.
We give, sir. We charge army officers only as much as our cost. Are you crazy? 50% discount, and that to them. Yes, sir. We do give them discount. It is written in the rules that we cannot earn a single penny with the army officers. We'll take whatever cost comes. First, you get out of here. I'll take them out later. And there is no need to come to work from tomorrow.
From tomorrow, you don't have to come on job.
Ma'am, you...
Yes, me? Whatever misbehave you were doing with him, I heard everything. If he's following my rule that we won't charge any profit from an army officer, we will charge only cost. So how can you threaten him to fire him from the job?
Ma'am, I'm here for your profit.
Don't talk nonsense to me. Because of your bad behavior and cheap mindset, my cafe's reputation is going down. Pick up your stuff and get lost from here.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, my foot. If you can't respect these people, how will you respect others? Because of these people, we sleep peacefully at nights. And when it's time, they sacrifice their life for us and our country. I won't hire a person like you in my cafe as a cleaner. Forget about manager. Go from here. Sir, I'm really sorry from his side.
No, you don't be sorry. This 50% discount?
Sir, we don't want to charge 50%. Initially, we kept 100% off for army people. But you people are so honest. Many officers told us if we will not charge the bill, so they won't come to our cafe again. That's why we took the middle way and we kept 50% off.
Your thinking is very good.
Not more than you, sir.
This 50% bill and 50% for you, your tip. You're doing very good work.
Sir, I can't take this from you.
Keep it, buddy. We will like it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. From tomorrow, you will manage Virat's post and this cafe as well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.